welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a day in the life vlog. Sunny. I've been trying to film this intro maybe for the last 10 minutes, and every time I try to film it, someone either phones me or my dogs are doing something, I don't know what. But in any case, so yes, I'm very excited for this vlog. It's been like very busy the last 2 months, I would say. We had a lot of weddings, so meaning we had a lot of editing to do. It was literally non-stop editing, and we are actually launching a new website very soon. So we have been working on that for a long time now, and every time I would spend it on editing and getting everything ready for that. But yes, I've been getting a few requests to do a day in the life vlog. Even though I'm literally sitting and editing, I should do that. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm literally gonna sit from now up until 5 o'clock editing. So it's about 7:30 right now. So yeah, it's not very interesting, but I will still bring you guys, I will still bring you guys along with me. I'll show you like what I eat in a day. Yeah, I'll just bring you guys along with me. Let me show you. Hello. Buiten, alsjeblieft. Ga uit. Dankie. Oh. You see? The 2 Labradors is not mine, it's my parents-in-law's dogs, and then I just have the 3 beagles, which keeps me very busy. They are tearing this place up, literally. But in any case, I'm just rambling now. Yes. Keep on watching, please. You guys, remember how I just showed you how perfect I made my bed? And then I come back into my room finding this, and this can only be one dog, and that might be Cinnamon. She is the little female beagle that I have. She literally jumps onto my bed, wiggle herself in my bed, and then she will go all the way down, lying there for the rest of the day. She loves that. And the irony is, let me show you, their bed is literally over here. Okay, I actually just wanted to quickly show you guys my outfit. When I'm at home and working, I will normally just wear activewear or like sweatpants or something like that. So yes, I just have like this little grey jacket on. This is actually very old, I don't know where it's from, but then I have like this little, just like a black top on. This is from Cotton On. And then I have this pants also from Cotton On. I actually got this from my friend Jessica. Since I started following her, I wanted a pants like this, and when we became friends, she actually gave it to me, so I'm very grateful for that. And then I just have some slippers from Woolworths. Sorry you guys, excuse the mess in the background, my little dog's bed. But yes, I actually lost like track from the time. I've been working this whole morning. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and I think I am going to have some breakfast right now. So yes, let me show you what I will be having.
You are are the sunrise waking my day. You are the moonlight shining my way. This is where I call home. You are the fire warm in my night. With you I'll stay till the morning light. This is where I call home. This is where.
Hele kussies hè. Charge af. Mooi. Pat, af. Af. Kom, wie gaan mooi sit? Wie gaan mooi sit? Oeh, sit vat mooi. 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 Sit baby mooi. Mooi baby. En Sunny. Gaan jy mooi sit? Gaan jy mooi sit? Kom, sit. Sit mooi. Ooh. Ooh. Hello. Okay, so a little bit change of plans. I thought that we are going to go to the gym, and then after that we would eat some steak and broccoli and cauliflower. But it ended up that we are at the movies now at Clearwater Mall, and then I don't know what we're actually going to watch. So Radner are standing here and laughing at me. But yes, we are gonna watch a movie and then enjoy some takeaways. I don't know what. So yes, I'll bring you guys along. I think so. I don't know how much footage I'll get. Whew. What a day it has been. So we literally just got home. I think it's 9:45 right now. And the day literally took like an entire spin. We ended up at the movies watching Lion King, which was very, very nice. I enjoyed it very, very much. And then we had some dinner with Brendan and Jessica, so that was also very, very nice. And now I'm home and very, very tired. It's been a really, really long day. We didn't even go to the gym, so but yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's literally just been like a day in the life video of what I do, like literally with most of my time. So yes, if you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then I'll see you guys in my next video.